Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you different ways to turn on flashlight on iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, 17 Air, doesn't matter which 17 you have. All these ways will work on all of them. So the fast and easiest way is to the lock screen. If it is there, if it is not there, you can add it. Actually, I'll show you how to do that. So when you're on the lock screen, you have the camera up and the flashlight here. Simply tap and hold and they will turn on. That's how you adjust the brightness as well. And if it is not there, what you can do is just tap and hold, press your task card. Now here, tap on customize. You might not see it here. You might have another icon near the app. You can edit here, tap on it, tap on torch, and that's it. Tap on done. Now you have it on your lock screen. That's the first way. The second way is through Control Center. If you scroll, swipe down, you will see the icon here. Tap on it. This will turn it on. If you don't have it, actually, tap and hold, tap Add Controls, and you have a torch here. Just you can add it. You can add as many as you want. And that's it. Turn it on. And that's the second way. The third way is through asking Siri. Make sure the Siri is enabled on your iPhone. Just say, "Hey Siri, turn on the torch." Yep, that's it. These are three ways actually you can use Siri or your phone to turn on torch on your iPhone 17. And thank you for watching.